I love watching bukkake. I mean, like, I don't know if I personally would ever do it.
Brad, hey!
Yo.
Brad is here. Quick, make my hair look drunk.
Check it out. Tammy's already drunk. Cool.
The beacon was activated. Who is in danger?
Grandpa!
Bird person!
I am pleased there is no emergency.
Oh, there's an emergency, all right. Emergency? When's the last time you got laid, Purrs?
It has been a challenging mating season for Bird Person.
Then it's time to get your beak wet tonight, playa. Go have some fun out there, bird person.
Oh man, how many people did you invite, Rick?
People? 6? Yo, what up, my glip glove?